abesi ene NDC 4 seats yera honorable LARYEA Afotey Agbo aka Lion ona ti akonwa so a chese akonwa na ono ane maame nia ne aunt na ye ne dia na oyi ye no de ma no afia we hopes na doye NPP parliamentary candidate say kia ne ken se NDC 4 tafre wo ma betwe kra akonwa no obeje e de afiri wo mo ensem na honorable LARYEA Afotey Agbo ti akonwa so safi nya de awoko ono akwa hye NDC 4 mpanifo no de ato o manu say sa akonwa de NPP 4 wo mpe kra wo nko Dubai mra wo mpo nko India mra wo mu wi nko antoa no kasa bosom ne se ya wi ana no wo mu nya de akonwa no Kpone-Katamanso wo mbeje hopes ye de nya de akonwa no beje hopes nso dey say ne yire your ba tese tele a wogina TV so ba court say yes sister here guy I free so kosi fom nyina miss lolo bibia hyehe guy wonya dudu Kpone-Katamanso awahwa na yire nkwa betimi agi seat yi akonwa vote be 100 e de ama hopes wono so obeji ntie say ne ye nden ye ko honum ko hwe nhye musu nko honorable LARYEA Afotey Agbo woni NDC 4 ye ya wo say akonwa no wo mo fa ma MPP 4 ene chena
Doye AGNES ediama NPP amayuko no Kpone-Katamanso about mpisuane so NDC 4 chese nyade so bedi nkunimu esa social mpuntujuma NDC aban eyeye edema adehye Kpone-Katamanso a edad pefe so mo pe NDC no mo kondo NDC biem se ombeba abeje omo edi efiro hawo ne kwankoma NPP 4 edi omo efamu no onumanyafo ni LARYEA Afotey Agbo Kpone-Katamanso mrashibedwani na desa ensen wese tudwa ebra na NDC parliamentary candidate edema KROWOR AGNES na MOMO LARTEY ekwo mkode adwumedie bi edi.
With my analysis, I don't think what I have to do as an individual, I'll do it. But when it comes to a candidate or a parliamentary candidate, there are certain things that you can do for the person because about the personality and the person himself. Are you getting me right? So there will be some difference, and the difference is clear. But all that I can say is that the seat cannot go to MPP. Just because my area is a prone NDC area. And if anything at all, Adonai will only close the gap, but he can win. With what I have on the ground. He can only close the gap because of the personality difference, but he cannot win the seat. We wouldn't create any impediment artificially on somebody's path. If one doesn't do what is right and one fails to do what he's supposed to do, it's him. It's not about somebody's making. It's not about any diabolical or maybe anybody's orchestration. It's about the person's personal character and what he's not been able to do. People were put into positions as MMDCs. I've been a regional minister, not in only Accra. I've been a regional minister in the Volta region, and my style is different. And I learned on the job. I wasn't born with it, but I learned on the job. And with what I have experienced and what I've seen so far for the past 4 years, I don't know how MPP will survive this kind of situation.
KROWOR NDC amayuko candidate no and UTV edin komo ekasa say
we ya hyase yempa ibone say nyame beboa na the necessary steps here no meni omo be take further meni me di registrar general registration form na amomo omo betu anamo na omo register. I will support them to register. Aside that, no other opportunities ebeba say omo professional artisans no omo betimi take advantage of say training, capacity building na ni ama tools omo hia di adwuma no me so mebo omo na omo aye sebio me ka say oboa artisans and say mechanics and afitafo kra enye omo kwa na wabo omo ba wo so waboa wo ho because it has to do with your safety and security on our roads. Inti me bo mo yi na me so mboa ama me.
Abusiafo Oguso I will share live on UTV area prem to break about this special clay drink and a special ice mineral water the aroma and e de kasebo no ebro yento aso no man pedi excellency nana